Everybody fucking jump!
All right, shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Boss Vegeta 1. For those of you who don't know, I buy 2 pairs of every Nike and Jordan GR each year. So if you like sneakers, drop a like for this channel and make sure you subscribe. Let's get a little bit of box action. Let it focus. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Black Teen Orange Amarillo. I just got a whole bunch of these, so good summertime shoe. That's a beautiful shoe. If you like Jordan 1 mids, then this shoe might be in your rotation for this summer. Materials on this shoe, pretty like nubuck. Leather, the leather's not too good, but it's an okay shoe. It's mostly for the colorway. You'll probably buy this shoe. In the orange and Amarillo colorway. Black hits all around the shoe with the Nike swoosh. All black Jordan 1 bottom. Let's get this light on. Guys, a view at the top of the shoe. You know, when the shoe came out, these are all dead stocks. Like I said, you got all suede or nubuck in the black, orange toe, back to the white Nike swoosh, a little bit of orange outsole with a black white bottom, yellow with the black Jordan Air logo. Back of the shoe is just standard black to the yellow, a little bit of white to the orange, break up, then back to white outsole. Same thing on this side of the shoe. Just a very out there shoe. I can't remember, like I said, when they came out, but I believe they had a whole bunch of different shoes in the Amarillo colorway. I like this shoe myself. I'll give you guys a look at the shoe, what it's going to look like when it's on your foot. All right, let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!